Now I want you to take a look at this. I'm logging inside one of my account. Right here you can see the earnings $976, and this is the actual net profit on a single account. So right there I'm logging into my another account. As you can see here, this is on another account nickname, and right here another $426 earning from just one single day. So as you can see here, one account I made $900 and another account $400, meaning $1,400 in combined total using this exact strategy. And this method requires no previous experience, right? No hard work is needed, and you don't need any technical skill at all to get started. In this quick video, I'll show you a 100% done for you system which is fully automated that allows you to make money over and over again. And the good news is that this is available in many countries in the world. But here's the warning: please use in cautious and do not over abuse this method. Even though this strategy could potentially make you hundreds of dollars every single day and thousands of dollars per week, as you can see here. And there are also a lot of people already reported making earnings every single day, hundreds and thousands of dollars. But the thing is that you still have to watch this step-by-step tutorial all the way until the end, and you'll need either a mobile phone or a computer plus an internet connection to apply this strategy. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a special bonus that's gonna allow you to make double more money compared to other people, and you can do everything in much faster time. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. So step number one, I want you to first go on to clickbank.com, as you can see here. So basically this is a marketplace that allows you to find different products to promote and earn commissions online. All you have to do, just go ahead and click on this button on top to sign up, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, 100% free to join. So once you select your country, just put in your first name, your last name, and your phone numbers and your email address, and put in a password. Once you read the terms and conditions, you can agree to that and click on this button to join ClickBank. Right over here, once you log in into your ClickBank account, you're able to see your account nickname, which is the username of your account. And also you can see your earnings and also the total earnings right there on the dashboard. So in order for me to test out this brand new system, whether or not it is working, I actually sign up on another brand new account and able to generate over $400 in one single day. So make sure you keep watching this video all the way until the end. I'll show you a 100% done for you system that's gonna do all the work for you. So right there, once you log in into account, just gonna click on this button right here, and you can scroll down below and click on this button which is affiliate marketplace. That's gonna take you to this page on the marketplace where you can choose from thousands of different products to promote and earn commissions online. So when you scroll down below, you can see here under the categories, you can find different categories of products that you can promote. Say for example, business, computer, e-business, education, and also health and fitness. So right now I want to show you a real world example exactly how I do it and how I'm able to earn $1,000. Right now I want you to click on this button right here, which is e-business and e-marketing, and I want you to choose on affiliate marketing. That's going to take you to this page. As you can see here under the affiliate marketing categories, and this is one of the highest earning category on ClickBank. That's exactly how I was able to earn over $900 on this single category. So on the list here, you can find different products that you can promote and earn money online. Say for example, the first product, which is ClickBank University, you can earn over $200 from just one single sale. And right here, the 12-minute affiliate system, $100, the free traffic system, $100, and the super affiliate system, over $500. And I want to show you a product that I've been promoting right now. So when you scroll down below here, you're gonna find on this product, which is Simple Wi-Fi Profit, where you can earn over $500 on average per sale. All you gotta do, just gonna click on this promote button right here, and as you can see here, that's gonna open up this box where you can earn 40% commission for all the customers that you refer to these products. And you can just go and click on this red button to generate a hop links. You're able to see this is actually your affiliate links. So once you've gotten your affiliate links, we're gonna move on to step number 2, and I want to show you this software which is 10x profit size, which I'm using to generate $1,000 per day. You can get instant access to this 100% done for you software using the first link in the video description below. Once you log in into your software, you're able to find your username, as you can see here on top, and you want to go down below and choose on this category, which is affiliate links. So when you scroll down below here, you're gonna look for these products, which is Simple Wi-Fi Profits. So that's exactly the products that we want to promote on ClickBank and earn over $500 average per sale. So as you can see here, all you gotta do do, just click on this button to copy your affiliate links of ClickBank. Moving on, we're gonna go back to our software inside 10x profit sites. I'll just paste my affiliate links on this box and just go ahead and click on this blue button right here to update our affiliate links. So as you can see here on top, affiliate links successfully saved. Just click on OK. And once again, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer, and this software is available worldwide and you can get instant access using the first link below. But if you want to get more information and the real life example, make sure you watch until the end. So right now, once you put in your affiliate links, you can just go and click on this button right here to view details. You can have a preview of your done for you website. So once you click on the preview button, you're able to see your done for you website. As you can see here, simple Wi-Fi profits review. So right now, when you scroll down below, you're able to see the entire articles and all the information and all the reviews. Even a done for you videos is included on your done for you website. And I want to show you why this is so powerful. When you go onto Google and when you're looking for the top affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing meaning you promote other people's products and then you earn commissions online. So in this case, we actually try to promote simple Wi-Fi profits on ClickBank and we're gonna earn $500 in commission. So right here you can see the best affiliate marketing strategies, the number one strategy, which is leverage products review. And that's exactly what this software can help you to do, is by creating the entire products review website for you so that you don't need any experience, any tech skill, or even any domain or hosting. You can get everything preloaded for you on this done for you website. And your simple Wi-Fi profits review is able to rank on Google every single time when people are considering whether or not to buy these products. They're gonna go on to Google and search for simple Wi-Fi profit review, or they might even search for whether or not simple Wi-Fi profits is a scam. And that's where your articles and review, they're gonna show up. And when people land on your website, they're able to read your reviews and to get more information about these products and what's your opinion about these products. And that's where the software comes into place, where they load in all the informations and all the reviews and opinions and even an articles plus an entire video right there on your website. So with all the information, people are more likely to eventually click on the button to eventually buy the products, and then you're gonna earn $500 in commission. And this is so powerful because with just 1 or 2 sales, you can almost earn $1,000 a day. And on top of that, when you scroll down below your done for you website, you can see here, this website even offer free bonus 1, 2, and 3 to all the people who buy through your affiliate links. This software will automatically help you to send these bonuses to your customer. And the best thing about this is that you don't have to create any pages, any website. You don't need to do anything yourself. Even all the custom bonuses is all done for you. Once your customer buy the simple Wi-Fi profits through your affiliate links, they're able to get instant access to all of these bonuses. They're able to download them. Guess what? The entire process, you do nothing, right? You do zero works because all the reviews is basically done for you. All the website, domain, and hosting, and all the bonuses, everything is done for you. Up until this point, all you gotta do is just put in your affiliate links into the simple Wi-Fi profits category. Just activate the system and get all the built-in free traffic to fill into your review website. That's all you gotta do, as simple as that. So right now, if you want to earn more commissions, just go on to activate the next website. So right here you can see this software already preloaded with all the done for you products. For example, Scribble super affiliate system. Just go ahead and put in your affiliate links into this box and just go ahead and activate the system, as simple as that. So for me myself, I've only tested on 2 products, which is CB University and also simple Wi-Fi profits. From just 2 products alone, I was able to generate $900 on this account and over $400 on a second new account. And I just can't imagine if I get to activate all the products right here, how much money I was able to earn on complete autopilot. So once again, you can get instant access to this software by using the first link in the video description. Once you log in into your account, you can see here under the tutorial section, they're gonna show you all the step-by-step training and walk you through how you can set up everything. Just like what I show you, it just takes a couple of minutes, and with just one click of a button, everything is ready to go and you can start making money. So as you can see here, you can clone our 10x profit site that generate us over $1,000 per day, and this is 100% done for you, automated profit site with all the free traffic built in. So when you come over to this page, I highly recommend you to check out this video, watch this all the way until the end so you can learn more information about 10x profit sites. And this system is proven to generate hundreds if not thousands of dollars per day. And the reason why this system and software is so powerful is because this is created by a ClickBank Platinum member. So as you can see here, this software is developed by some of the best marketers online. And on top of that, if you use the invitation link below this video, you're able to get instant access to all the exclusive bonuses as you can see here. Bonus number 1, you're able to get multiple free traffic software as well. And by using this bonus software, you're able to send free unlimited traffic into your review website. And that's able to generate you more money quicker. And that's the reason why I was able to generate over $900 today because of this bonus software. So this right there is super powerful. You can get it right now using the first link below. And on top of that, special bonus number 2, you're gonna get instant access to over 100 products. This is crazy. This entire bundle right here can easily worth over $997, and you can get over 100 training products and software for absolutely free. And bonus number 3, you can get guaranteed approval to all the high converting affiliate offers. So other than ClickBank, you can use this software to promote other different affiliate products, for example Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate products or CPA offers as well. And finally, on bonus number 4, this is where you can get access to all the live web classes and also webinars. So this workshop right here will help you to answer any question that you face. Whenever you have any problems, all the members and all the coaches are able to help you to resolve your problems, and you can move on and continue making money. And you can get all the bonuses today when you grab the 10x profit size right now using the first link below. You can instantly save over 90% with a one-time price only, right? 0 monthly fees. And remember, every 60 minutes the price will increase, so make sure you don't pay any extra. You can grab it right now. So when you click on the first link in the video description, you're able to come over to this page. All you gotta do is just click on this yellow button right here, and then just put in your first name, your email address, and click on this red button. That's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, when you scroll down below, just gonna click on this red button to get an instant discount and also all the exclusive bonuses. That's going to take you to this page where you can complete your purchase on a secure checkout page. Right here, as you can see, 10x profit size, the original price is $197, and you can instantly save over $180, which is a 90% discount. You can pay a one-time fee only of $17 today by using the special discount link below. So right there, just put in your first name, your last name, and your email address, and you can pay using a PayPal account or using a credit or debit card, and just go and click on this button right here to check out securely. So when you get started today, you are fully protected by the 10x profit size unconditional 100% money back guarantee. So if you make money using this software, that's perfect. You can keep the software, you can keep all the money. In a very unlikely event that you are not satisfied with your results or you are not making money, you can just contact the support team for a hassle-free refund without any question asked. And remember, that's their promise, okay? You make money or they're gonna pay you $75 in compensation. I've never seen somebody offer such incredible guarantee like this. This is because there's so much confidence into their products. So once again, click on the first link in the video description below because they're doing an early bird launching right now. I'm sorry if you missed this opportunity. By the time when you're watching this video, I'm not sure whether or not this is still available. Basically, this is the summary, the 10x profit size pro version, only $17 only. So once you purchase these products, you have the opportunity to purchase other different premium upgrades as well. As you can see here, OTO 1 all the way to OTO 7. So right here, very important, OTO meaning one-time offer. So this is an optional upgrade recommended for beginners to get faster results and more earnings. However, to prevent oversaturation, this is only limited to the first 50 peoples only. So if you have more budget, I recommend you to pick up other upgrades as well. As you can see here, when I log in into my software, when I scroll down below on the menu bar, you can see here, personally for me myself, I actually upgraded to all the version. As you can see here, unlimited version, done for your version, the license right, the $30,000 per month version. But I know that some of you guys, you do have a limited budget. So if you ask for my recommendation, I'll suggest you to pick up the first 3 upgrades, which is the unlimited version, which you can create unlimited review website for so many different other products on ClickBank or any other affiliate networks. So for the 100% done for your version, they're gonna help you to do all the hard work, help you to set up everything so that when you log in into your account, everything is ready to go to start making money. And for the unlimited traffic version, they're gonna pump more traffic, right? More traffic into your review sites so they can earn more commissions online. So this is the 3 upgrades that I recommended for you. If you're gonna get additional upgrades, it's totally up to you. And once again, remember that all the upgrades, they are just optional. You can just get the pro version for $17 only, and you can start banking commissions just like this. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and click on the first link below and get started right now with all the bonuses and all the discount for a one-time fee of $17 only. So go ahead and grab it right now using the first link below before the price increases, and I'll see you on the inside.